leo video ni foi a to dai pa ma no tau dai le pa mo foi o se ano mau na te piti ma fa eva mo tau dan leo wa to i foi a pa ma leo se ua na ko mai no wa no pa na ile a tele ma fa lalo o te foro pa ma fa pelo i vai ni no uma e i pa to wa o pa to mo le filma pa i Tusi pelo i vai no filma i Tatalaina e nane ni mauluma no filma si Palemene pelo foi o filma i sui Tatalaina au filma foi te sui te tai o tua mai pelo foi na filma i Komsina o le malo te o stadi sa mai malo pisa pelo foi suna instituis na sui petas ia a celebrasteno na Society Justala Samoa. Honorable Speaker of the Parliament of Samoa, Sunga Palemene, i o Oripola te eo maspao. A whiunga, tuanga te rama i o Sipo, Pasio, i Honorable Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, i a whiunga, au paau, o pola o te fua, o te Parliament, the Deputy Leader of Opposition, yung Lawofo Fontoi, Nia Lawofo. Her Excellency Emily Mac, Mr. Steve Chase, the Batmas consultant who is also a former ABC political reporter, the President and members of the Chores, ladies and gentlemen, it's me a great pleasure to welcome you all to the official launching of the Parliamentary Reporters Handbook. This project is substantial. Another achievement. However, before we do that, I shall begin this official launching ceremony with a prayer in the Samoan language. Tatalaina. Letu wae o maho o letu o Samoa. O matu toi a whea lau whio i letu wa. O wama ai asinga luenga matu whai. Ono lava le whatawaha e tangata. Wale la e oi ki inga whanama. Whaatai sa e te tapi ki whontanga se o matu Palemene li aso o mai. I ia oi o matu. A o whanana watu o matu hutu mo matu nganga i lau. Mea o matu whale i ia i oi au ngā enga fui e o ato toa nei ngā mea. Atu mo o ngā mea. Nei o matu mawa i ngā ngā ni kua whenua ni mahu. Awa lava i solo mo le o fe au mga wena o wata. O tai oi tu mau te toi le nei la basa. Ono lo swafa i suo ma te koe ma te talo toi. Amen. Moving to our official program, I now call upon Her Excellency Emily Mac for your opening remarks. Your Excellency.
Speaker of the House, Papali'io, Oloipola, Acting Prime Minister, Tuala Tebanga Yosefo Bonifasio, Deputy Speaker of the House, Alpakao, Walota Tua Monipola, Deputy Leader of the Opposition, Members of Parliament, the President of the Journalists Association of Samoa, Langi Karasoma, the PACMAS team from ABC International, media colleagues, friends. Hello, Palava and Manuia Letalfangako. It's my first time seeing some of you this year, so I feel like it's not too late to say Happy New Year. I'm very honoured to be here today to speak on the launch of this new Parliamentary Reporters Handbook, a guide specifically designed to assist Samoan journalists in their coverage of parliamentary proceedings, which we've seen this week is a very critical pursuit. Parliament is the cornerstone of Samoa's democracy, where laws are discussed, debated and decided upon. It is the place where the voices of the people are heard and where elected leaders are held to account. It is essential that citizens are informed about the workings of Parliament and that is where the role of journalists comes in. As we all know, an informed public is part of any healthy and thriving democracy, which is why effective and accurate journalism is so critical. In response to a request received from the Journalists Association of Samoa, the Australian Government, through our Pacific Media Assistance Scheme, or known as PACMAS, has supported both JAWS and the Legislative Assembly of Samoa to collaborate on this parliamentary reforms handbook. This new handbook and the introduction intend to promote public understanding of the national development of Samoa by supporting the media to share impartial, fair and balanced reporting for Parliament. The Samoa Parliamentary Reporters Handbook will provide practical guidance and advice for journalists engaged in the reporting of proceedings of the Legislative Assembly of Samoa. It aims to give journalists an introduction on the protocols and best practices for parliamentary reporting. With this handbook, journalists have a resource to better understand complex parliamentary processes, which even all of us struggle sometimes to understand, and to decode the jargon that sometimes accompanies these discussions. They can build connections with experts and peers who will prove useful contacts for future reporting and unpacking of parliamentary news. Importantly, the process of developing this handbook and its ongoing use will help build mutual understanding of the role of the media in reporting on Parliament and facilitate constructive interaction between the public, media and Parliament. It has been exciting to see interest and engagement from all parties here in Samoa throughout the process. And of course, everything we do here in our partnership with Samoa is in partnership, as I say, and we always take our guidance from the Government of Samoa and the people of Samoa. We thank JAWS and the relevant Samoan departments for their commitment to supporting responsible and quality reporting through this initiative. Thank you to all those who were involved in the consultations, research, drafting and editing of this new handbook for your support in this important work. Faasalalau, Maia.
Lau fiona, ono kutuala te langa Yosepo, Kontasio, I Palemene, Mau, Kasa Samoa. Dr. Faasalalau, Ora Woko, Tiute, Taiala Woko, Ora Tatalaina in Fono. Excellency, Emily Luck, Australian High Commissioner of Samoa, Mr. Steve Chase, Blackness Consultant, and Ms. Suko Johnson, Blackness Representative. Proclama el presidente de los Estados de Samoa, Municipal y Sur de los Udema el oficio al Fono y la Fono, o Tatalaina, yo proponía I wish to welcome each and everyone here this afternoon. I must say that I am fortunate during my term as the Speaker of Parliament that this event has eventuated. As you may know, the relationship between Parliament and the media has been legal over the years. Parliament has been very conservative with its approach to the media. However, this undertaking is a milestone taken to rebuild its relationship with the media. The handbook serves as a tool to ensure that reporters understand the rules and procedures of Parliament, as well as documents, information that are available to them to ensure fair reporting of parliamentary events. I pray that this will be the beginning of more collaborations between JAWS and the Office of the Clerk so as to ensure that the public are informed of parliamentary work. I wish to thank the Government of Australia through OSAID and PACMAS, Pacific Media Assistance Scheme, for financing the project. Mr. Chase for putting together this handbook. I also thank JAWS President and Association for being persistent and making sure that this project comes to fruition. Lastly, I thank the clerk and the deputy clerk and staff for the support rendered during consultations and drafting of the handbook, podcast and report.